Hello friends, welcome to Efficient Learning World. So today in this video, we are going to learn about the program that will help us to log off our computer and hibernate over computer. So in the previous two videos, I explained you the program to shut down your PC for the Windows user, for the Linux user and the Windows XP user as well. And in the second two video, I explained you the program to restart your PC. So in the previous two video, we see the program to shut down our computer and restart our computer. But in today's video, we are going to learn about the hibernate and log off, how you can do this hibernate and log off your computer using the C++ coding. But the code whatever I will explain you, you can use this code in the C++ language and the C language as well. Okay, because you know the C++ language is the advanced version of C developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratory. So if you have learned the C language, so you will know the syntax and the difference between the C++ and the C language syntax. So in the C language we basically use the stdio.h header file and the stdlib.h header file. Okay, but in the C++ language we basically use the iostream header file, which is the standard header file of C++. Okay, so whatever the code I will explain you, you just have to write that code in this main function. Okay, and if you are using the C language, you just have to write my code in the main function and your code will work fine. So whatever the code I will explain you just have to write in the main function, and the remaining things will be remain same, like the main function, the header file. Okay, so let's see. So I just opened my dev editor. Okay, so you can use any type of editor like CodeBlocks, Visual Studio, Atom, Sublime Text, etc. But I'm using dev C++ because it is most easily, it is most the easiest editor for the beginners and for C++. Okay, so you can use this editor. Okay, so I'm going to write here a function. So as I explained you in the shutdown computer and the restart your computer using C++, I explained you in that videos that to shut down, restart or log off or hibernate your computer system, you just have to use a system function. So this system function is already defined in the stdlib.h header file. So this function invokes the command processor to execute a command. So whatever I am going to write here in the double quotes, I am going to write here some instructions. Okay, so I'm going to write here in the instructions in the double quotes, and system function will execute according to that type of instruction whatever I will write in the double quotes. Okay, so the command processor for Windows based system is CMD. Okay, so you can if I write here C in the search box command prompt, so you can see the command prompt. Okay, so you can also search it, and this is command prompt for the Windows user. But for the Linux user there is a terminal which you will study in the introduction to computing. Mostly bachelors will know this. Okay, so to shut down, to hibernate, to restart or to log off your computer, we place the command corresponding to over a task which I want to perform in the double quotes. Okay, so if I want to hibernate over computer, so you just have to write here the instructions. Okay, so you just have to write here the shutdown and a space and then minus h. Okay, so h means hibernate my computer, and shutdown means there is a shutdown header, there is a shutdown exe file in my PC in the C directory. Okay, so if you if it is difficult for you to remember these instructions, so there are a lot of instructions provided by command prompt. So if I open my command prompt, and you just have to write here shut down. Okay, so it will there is a list of different actions I can perform on my PC using the system whatever I will write in the double quotes. Okay, so you can see if I write here /I, so it will display the graphical user interface for me to shut down or restart my PC. Okay, so if I write here if I want to hibernate my computer, okay, so you can see there will be a option. Yes, this is the option /h. H means hibernate the local computer. It can be used with the /f option as well. So if I want to hibernate my computer, you just have to write here /h. Okay, so if you just have to write here shutdown a single space and then minus h. H means hibernate your computer. So this is the code for hibernate your computer. You just have to, after writing this code, you just have to compile and run your code, and your code will successfully run, execute, and your PC will hibernate. Okay, so if for the log of computer, okay, so you see the difference. Say I use the stdlib.h header file and stdio.h header file, but you can also use use IOStream header file if you are using the C++ editor. So if you are using the C language, okay, so you just have to remove this using namespace stdio.h, because it is not defined in the C language, but in mostly in C++ you just have to write here using namespace std, which is the part of a syntax of C++ language. So you can use the IOStream header file as well, and the stdlib.h and stdio.h header file as well. So if I explain you the difference, so you can see my program will successfully compile and run. Okay, so let's see, my program will successfully run and compile. So you can see there is a no option, so there is a no error, my program successfully compile and run. So you can use these header files, or instead of these header file you can also use the IOStream header file. So now coming to our major task, to log off over computer, you also have to write here instruction, that is system, and then in the double quotes you just also have to write here the shut down and a single space, and then write here -l. So where from L came? Okay, oh sorry, I missed the double quotes. In the double quotes you just have to write here. Okay, so in the double quotes, so -l means my log of my computer. So if I open my command prompt again and open my command prompt, and if I write here shutdown and enter, so there are a lot of options provided here for me to perform. Okay, so you can see there will be a option for log of my computer. So this is the option /s. So a log of my computer, this cannot be used with /m or /r. So you see there is a here they used a /l. Okay, so if you want to use the /l, so you also can use a different method, but this is a shortcut method. Okay, so this is a shortcut method, but this work not in mostly computers, mostly editors. So you can use this syntax. Okay, and there is another option, that is system, and in the front slash you just have to write here C directory, and then Windows folder. Okay, so Windows folder, and then front slash, okay, backslash 2 times. Okay, so backslash 2 times, and then write here system 32, and then again slash, and then write here shutdown, and then a single space, and then write here -l. So -l means /l. Okay, so /l means log of my computer. So you can use this syntax and this syntax as well. Okay, so these two will perform the same task, means the log of your computer. And you can also use this in this header, in this main function. You can also use this. You just have to write here /h. So h will hibernate your computer. If you want to shut down your computer, you just have to write here s. So s means shut down your computer. If I open my command prompt, and you can see there will be an option /s. So s means shut down my computer. If you want to restart your computer, you just have to write here /l. So r. So okay, so /r means restart my computer. But now our major task is to log off my computer. So you just have to write here system shutdown -l. Okay, so after writing this code, you just have to compile and run your code, and your computer will be logged off. Okay, so if you want to hibernate your computer, you just have to write this instruction and then compile and run your code. And after compiling and run your code, your computer will be hibernate. But I am not implementing this, because I'm unable to compile and run my code, because if I compile and run my code, my computer will hibernate and I will be unable to record my video. So I'm not giving you the implementation, but I'm just giving you the idea of using this function, that how you can use this function. Okay, so the command processor for Windows based system is CMD, and the command processor for Linux based system is the terminal. Okay, so to shut down, restart your computer, log off your computer, hibernate your computer, we just have to place the command corresponding to shut down, restart, hibernate inside this system function. Okay, so whatever the code, whatever the instruction I will write in the double quotes, the system function work according to my instructions. Okay, so for hibernate you just have to write here -h. For log off you just have to write here -l. Okay, so this is for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not watched my previous video in which I explained you that how you can log off, how you can restart your computer, how you can shut down your computer using the C++ coding, so make sure to watch that video, because in the previous video I explained very clearly. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you find any ambiguity or confusion in this video, then kindly comment on this video, and I will definitely try my best to resolve your issues.